Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove autopay from Netflix, so let's get right into it. Now, removing autopay is as easy as just removing the subscription or canceling it, so that when the next billing date comes, you do not pay for the next round of the subscription. And that is very easily done. As you can see, I'm on the Netflix main page and I'm logged into my account, and what I'll be doing is going to the top right, hovering over my profile icon, then going into my account settings. Upon clicking on this, I'll arrive at this menu, and the option that we need is to click here on manage membership. You can also click here on membership. It's pretty much the same thing. As you can see, it leads to the exact same place. Now, as you can see, you can click here to cancel the membership, and once you cancel it, you will not get the membership removed at the time of cancellation. However, once the next billing date arrives, as you can see in my case it's August 18th, then the membership will be canceled and you won't pay another time. So if you cancel it prematurely, you can still enjoy the benefits until the next billing date, and upon that date you will be blocked from accessing it. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.